And I'm going to try to reach in the back side and pull it forward. Okay, came right off. It landed right here. Right there. So now that shaft will come right out of there. Hopefully. We'll see. So I'm going to bring it around to this hole over here. And I think I can grab the camera. Now we're going to bring this around to here. I'm going to reach in here with, I got a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. It's got a short L on the end of it. I just got a little pair of vice grips here, and I should be able to pull that straight out of there. I was trying to come out. Well, you know what I need to do? Didn't think about this. If I can get that to come back around, I haven't pulled it out too far yet. I need to get some juice on it. It's got all that hard ink on it right there. Or this side too. It's got ink on it over there. The clip is gone. It's just got to be pulled out. Actually, I could start it by take a hammer and a screwdriver and just tap it out a little bit. There's a little flat spot right there. Once I get it started, there we go. It almost falls right out of there. Okay, now take it around to the where I can see it again. Hopefully it doesn't get caught on something up in there. There we go, right there. I can take my little Allen wrench again, pull it right out of there. There we go. Got it. Now I can show you the wear on it. Right there, you can really see the wear on it right there. Big wear spot there and another big wear spot right there. So I'm not really gonna do any cleaning. I'm just going to put this new shaft in because this is just kind of for showing purposes. So I would probably take some blanket wash and clean that all up in there, both sides a little bit, put a little oil in there. But So I'm going to bring this back around here to where the hole is here, right there. I'm going to grab the shaft. Put the shaft up in there. It slides right in. Just like I want it. And I'm going to bring this back here. Went right in the bushing over there like I want it. And over here it looks good. So first thing I got to do is get the clip back on. So we'll drop this back in here. Snap. Okay. We're going to get the snap ring on first. C-ring. Very thin C-ring, and it goes right in that groove right there. So I'll hold this up here and get on it with the screwdriver and help boost it up on there. See if I can do this without it flying. Okay, that went on very nice. Now remember, we want this up. So here's the position right here when the plate is locked, when that flat spot is straight out. So let's put the spring washer on there. And then I'm going to put the collar with the ears on it. The pointer goes up. And if I've got it in this position, where the square edge is out, this is actually going to be hitting the cylinder right now. So I'm going to stick that on there. Should just slide on there because it's all new. Okay. Now you got to get pressure on that because there's a spring washer. So what I'm going to do is I want this to be pushed in because that will also move. You can see it'll move over. That's got to be pushed in, and I want the flat spot lined right up with that Allen screw. Now I'm going to take this pry bar, and I'm going to put pressure against the cylinder. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. I'm actually going to use the old bar because I don't have another pry bar handy. And you got to push evenly. So once I get that in tight, now you see the bar move. So now that I got this in tight against the cylinder, I can hold it there. Now I'm going to reach back in here and push this back over. Okay, so that's tight. I got the collar tight. I'm going to tighten one of my Allens. Make sure it's on the flat spot. Good and snug. I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to tighten this top one. There you go. Now when you go to move this, it should be pretty stiff. A lot of pressure on it. But that's how you replace the plate cylinder, tail clamp shaft tension shaft, 3302M Ryobi. You can get all the parts here. Yeah, Ryobi press parts. That's us.